Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my JewelScent subscription box. This is Jewels Across America for the month of September. So every month we get a new map, which is kind of wasteful, but tucked inside the map is a postcard. There it is, and a sticker. And I could already smell the candle. It smells just like apples. Maple Apple Crisp. So this is Vermont. Very cool. Really pretty postcard. Vermont, freedom and unity. And then we have our little sticker to put on our map. And here's my map so far. There's a few stickers on there. I think it goes like that. So we'll put it up there. We've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months so far since this has started. So each month you get a really nice big size candle with a ring valued at least $40. And these are only available through the subscription. You cannot order them any other way on their website. It smells so good. Great fall scent. You definitely smell the maple and the apple, so it's pretty spot on. Very fragrant. And you also get 2 essential bath bombs. There are no rings in here. They are nice and colorful. So you get 2 of those. These are pretty nice sized bath bombs as well. These are 7 ounces each. Highly fragranted. So I'm going to start burning that candle and I will be right back to show you what ring I got. So the ring is ready to take out of this one. And it smells really good. It has a very, very, very strong scent throw. Perfect fall scent in my opinion. Gosh, I'm pretty sure this is the exact same ring I got last month. Pretty sure. And it was super bulky. And they put the coat on the outside so it falls off. Okay, I'm going to put in the code just to make sure. It should be a $40 ring, and I'll be back to show you a better view. This is definitely the exact same ring I got last month, which is pretty disappointing. It is super bulky, and normally I don't get too many bulky rings from JewelScent. But they are $40 rings. Hopefully I get a different ring next month. Other than that, I have really been enjoying the subscription. I love the idea of the traveling candles, and the candles have been really awesome, and so have the bath bombs. So I do appreciate that. So I'll probably continue to get the box. But if you guys are interested, if you want to join, sign up for the subscription, I'll have all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.